I didn't know what to expect. There are a lot of cases where you can look at a history of comparable cases and have a pretty good idea what the likely sentence is going to be. You can't do that here. It's impossible to, you can't look at any other case and make an estimate of what a likely sentence was going to be. So I really had no idea what the range would be, and neither did she. Look, I would not have wanted to be in the situation the judge was in. It's a very difficult uh, decision to make, and I've got a lot of respect for the judge. I think it was a reasonable sentence. I think it would have been reasonable for her to get a lesser sentence. That she's already been in 5 years. So would it have been reasonable for her to get a sentence of 5 years and walk out today? Yes. You know, she's going to do a little bit more. She didn't intend to do it, and she didn't recognize that it was being done. But I don't think you can look at what happened to these kids and not say, it's not a serious offense. It's serious. I think the challenge here is, how do you factor in her mental illness? You have to treat her differently than somebody who is willfully keeping children, captive in a home and deliberately harming them. That there's really no deterrent effect with respect to Erika either. This was a unique circumstance. She's not going to get involved with Mr. Rivera again. They're not going to have more children. Sure, I'm concerned. I think anybody would be concerned, but she has a lot of support from her family. Um, I can't state strongly enough how much of a difference it made for her to be separated from Mr. Rivera. That was a life changer.